Service to man is service to God. Cancer is one of the neglected disease in the society because of its fear and lack of knowledge. Some people think cancer is the disease which can come after taking all the treatment. So, because of high morbidity and mortality of this disease, there is a lot of fear in the society. The main causes of fear in the society are lots of myths about this disease. Cancer is the disease which can be tackled or treated very well if this can be taken in a very open and knowledgeful way. Myths about cancer are, first of all, it is a disease which cannot be cured, or this is the disease which will need a lot of efforts to treat, and after taking proper treatment also this can come again and again, and we have to go to the hospital again and again for the follow-up. And lot of other reasons to not diagnose this cancer in early stages is lack of comprehensive cancer centers in the nearby area, lack of traveling facilities to the cancer centers, lack of qualified oncophysicians or oncologists, and most of the things people think they are having lack of economy. This is one of the reason in few areas, and people are having a lot of fear in their mind. So this is the disease where after getting a lot of treatment also there is a chance of recurrence. Some may think this needs regular follow-up and may have hard treatment in future, so that I have to suffer a lot. So to prevent all these things, the only solution is cancer awareness and awareness. So cancer awareness can be done at multiple levels at all stages. Cancer awareness starts from rural to urban area. This can be done by conducting screening camps. Screening is the process where those doesn't have any symptoms of the disease that can be screened. The commonest screening is oral cavity cancers, colonic cancers, head and neck cancer. It's very easy to screen just by seeing oral cavity. So screening is very important. By conducting cancer campaigns in local languages at their own places. So this is very important in rural areas, so that we can educate people in their mother tongue. So cancer awareness is the key, because there is a lot of cancer phobia in their mind. So we have to treat minds of the people by creating cancer awareness. If we treat minds of the people, we can treat cancer very well. Yes, cancer is having answer. Cancer is not cancel of life if we treat in early diseases. For that, earlier diagnosis is very important. So for earlier diagnosis, in broad, I can say any symptom or any disease after taking treatment not getting cure in 1 to 3 months, we should consult to the oncologist or cancer center. If having any symptoms, we will go for some investigations in the form of blood investigations, imaging and biopsy. Biopsy is very important. Biopsy is taking some tissue from the tumor and we have to send it for the histopathology lab. So after biopsy, if the report is cancer, we have to go for staging of the disease. Staging can be done by imaging like CT scan, MRI and PET scan. So PET scan is needed to stage the disease. So after staging the disease, we are having tumor board at our center, where surgical oncologist, medical oncologist and radiation oncologist, we are sitting together and having opinion of this patient from treatment to the rehabilitation. Because in cancer, follow-up and rehabilitation is very, very important. We have to follow patient for long time. So after this rehabilitation also, we have to tell patient to educate at his own place, so that cancer awareness should go on. So in conclusion, if we want to vanish negativity, fear and nervousness of this disease, we have to go as a teamwork, and at last I can say yes, cancer is having answer. Cancer is not cancer of life. This can be treated very well if diagnosed in early stage. Thank you.